welcome back to the channel. Today with me after a long time I have an unboxing video of this 2009 Crompton Greaves Aura ceiling fan. This fan is manufactured in Bethora, Goa. This is at June 2009. The MRP is 1645 back then. This costed me 1300 rupees brand new. So the box is obviously battered since it's an old stock. So let's have a look inside. So yeah, there is some spots and mold damage kind of thing on the canopies, but it's not mold damage, it's just some kind of mouse repellent thing that was sprayed around the boxes that got into the box. So this is the download. This is the packing. These are the canopies. These spots are just on the outside, the inside is fine. This is the motor. This is the warranty card. And this is the shackle kit. So before we start unboxing, before I show you the motor, let me put some pictures of the box. Here, as you can see, the motor is in awesome condition, scratch free. Same for the upper canopy, and there you can see is the lower canopy. So let's install the fan. So as you guys can see, these are the blades. Awesome shiny finish to match that deco ring. So now let's fix the blades and install it in the ceiling and take a test run. So guys, as you can see, the fan is finally installed on false ceiling. These are Crompton Senorita canopies. So let's switch on the fan in full speed. Wow, the airflow is quite good for an older Aura. Not bad, satisfactory enough. Let's turn it off. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you like this unboxing and installation of this Crompton Aura ceiling fan. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video coming really soon.